everybody, welcome back to the channel. And you know, sometimes when it comes to cutting firewood, it needs to be the perfect length. We use a tool called the Acc-U-Mark, a carbon rod with an aluminum gauge on the end and a magnet to clip onto your bar. Let me go ahead and show you some clips. This has been working great for us. I thought I'd go ahead and make a video and share this. Acc-U-Mark is a fast and simple way to mark your wood for cutting consistent lengths of firewood. Acc-U-Mark attaches instantly to either side of the saw bar with a super strong neodymium rare earth magnet. Available in fixed dimensions 16 to 26 inches and a new adjustable Acc-U-Mark which has a length of 16 to 26 inches. The Acc-U-Mark attaches to your saw for fast, accurate marking for uniform firewood lengths. It's easier than a tape measure, paint wheel, or a stick. It's also quick and easy to attach and remove the Acc-U-Mark. And also, it's proudly made in the USA. This tool is essential for anyone cutting firewood for personal use or in a business of selling firewood. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Once again, thanks for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and share with your friends. We really appreciate people watching these videos and hope you get a little information out of them also. Thanks again.